Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. Motor mounts are in, cars are running good. Today we're gonna get the fenders rolled on the RSX and the DC5. This is for like just future-proofing myself. I'll be a lot busier within the next couple months, so I wanted to get all the stuff done out of the way. I'm planning on running 245, 40, 17 tires on the car with some coilovers later on in the future. So I wanted to have everything rolled just in case I run into rubbering or any issues like that. So we'll head over to Granada Hills where I'm gonna meet up with this guy named Tony. He's really famous, really well known for doing fender work on cars. He did my 240SX and two of my S2000s, so he's gonna do my RSX again. So yeah, let's head over there and see what we got in store. This is one of the most scariest parts of doing fender work is sometimes you have to cut it. Rolling it, you might crack the paint, but this car is going to get painted probably in the future. I'm going to get some body work done on it, so we're going to reinforce those fenders. But Tony's a professional. He's been in this business for almost 20 years, and he did my 1990 240SX, my first RSX, my S2000, my second S2000, and the list goes on and on. But I trust him, and I've never had an issue with any of his work, so we let him go at it. And as you guys see here, he's cutting away at some of the rear fenders because I'm going to be running 245, 40 setups on the tire setup, so it's going to require a lot of clearance for it to run. So if you guys need any work done in SoCal, I recommend Tony. His contact is on s2ki.com, or you can just give him a Google search or find him on the S2000 forums.